them, man. Okay, so the importance of welding. Yeah, welding is very important because it help a lot of youth from 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 maybe these problem
Activities.
criminal activities.
Mhm.
Yeah, but it stop these youth from going through the bad way. Very important because if you involve into welding, it will help you in financial issues, financial problems, and maybe it help a lot of youth from these criminal issues like stealing and other stuff, bad stuff like that. Yeah.
So you people have been working here for how many years now?
Yeah, me likely I have been working here for almost 8 years. Yeah, almost 8 years.
Mhm,
But some of them almost 2 years.
mhm,
Some of them have 7 years here.
mhm. You as a youth, as you rightly mentioned, that going to Bagwe is probably one can say it's very very risky, but venturing into skills is very very important. Do you think it can solve our problems?
Yeah. Of course, it can help a lot of problems because risking yourself through the bad way is never easy. Yeah. But through here, through welding, you can achieve a lot without risking your life through the bad way. Yes, you can help your family through welding. You can help yourself through the bad way. It's very risky. You can even lose your life through the journey. Yeah. For me, my advice to the youth is better you stay here and learn something, especially welding. Welding. It's very easy. It's not a difficult skills. It can help you a lot.
Mhm. So, what are some of the challenges you people are facing here in this workshop?
Exactly. We are facing a lot of challenges here. Number one, sometimes sometimes
Light.
to have light is very difficult.
Mhm,
Light have been on
mhm,
and off.
mhm,
And sometimes in the rainy season, sometimes we will not have contract. We'll be sitting here the whole day without doing anything. Yeah. So I'm hoping maybe through the government, if they can help these local workshops, maybe with work, things will be very easy.
mhm.
Yes.
And then, what advice do you have to the youths?
Exactly. The advice I have for the youth is, let's be patient. Let's be patient and wait for our time. Yes, because we thrive here in the Gambia. There's a lot of opportunity here, which you can try. Welding is part of it.
So, what benefit do you have from this workshop?
I have a lot of benefit.
Mhm,
Yeah, because I've been helping a lot for my neighbors. I've been helping my neighbors, and financially also. I've been working for people that have been paying,
mhm,
so it helped me a lot financially.
mhm.
Yeah.